Lily is a young woman. She is 20 years old. She lives in a big city. Her apartment is small, but she likes it. It has one big window. From the window, she can see the busy street. One Saturday morning, Lily wakes up. She goes to the window and looks outside. The sun is shining. The sky is blue. There are no clouds. What a beautiful day, she thinks. I want to do something special today. Usually, on Saturdays, Lily cleans her apartment. Or she goes to the supermarket. But today is different. Today, she wants to enjoy the sun. She makes a simple breakfast. She eats toast and drinks a glass of orange juice. After breakfast, she puts on her favorite blue dress. She takes her small bag. Inside the bag, she puts her book, her phone, and a bottle of water. She is ready. Lily leaves her apartment. She walks down the street. The city is noisy. There are many cars and buses. People are walking on the sidewalk. Some people are going to work. Some people are shopping. Lily smiles. She likes the energy of the city. She decides to go to the big park. The park is not near her apartment. She needs to walk for 20 minutes. But she doesn't mind. She likes walking. On her way to the park, she sees a small flower shop. There are many beautiful flowers. Red roses, yellow tulips, and white daisies. Lily stops and looks at the flowers for a minute. They smell wonderful. She continues walking. Soon, she arrives at the park. The park is very big and quiet. It is very different from the noisy city streets. There are many tall trees. The trees are green and full of leaves. Birds are singing in the trees. Lily sees many people in the park. Families are having picnics on the grass. Children are playing with a ball. An old man is reading a newspaper on a bench. Lily finds a nice, empty bench under a very big tree. The tree gives a lot of shade. It is a perfect place to sit. She sits down and takes her book out of her bag. Her book is a story about adventures in faraway lands. She loves to read. She reads for a long time. The story is very interesting. She forgets about the time. After an hour, she feels a little bit thirsty. She puts her book down and opens her bottle of water. As she is drinking, she sees a small dog. The dog is brown and white. It is running around, but it looks lost. It looks a little sad. The dog comes near her bench. It looks at Lily with its big, brown eyes. It wags its tail slowly. "Hello," Lily says softly. "Are you lost?" The dog makes a small, quiet sound. Lily looks at its neck. The dog has a red collar. On the collar, there is a small, metal tag. Lily carefully reads the tag. It says, Max. Below the name, there is a phone number. "Your name is Max," Lily says to the dog. "That's a nice name. Don't worry, Max. I will help you." Lily takes out her phone. Her hands are a little shaky. She hopes the owner answers. She dials the number from the tag. The phone rings 1 time, 2 times. Then, a woman answers. "Hello," the woman says. Her voice sounds worried. "Hello," Lily says. "I am in the city park. I found a small dog. His name is Max." The woman on the phone is very happy. "Oh, Max. Thank you, thank you. I was so worried. Where are you in the park?" Lily looks around. "I am on a bench under a very big tree. The bench is near the small lake." "I know that place," the woman says. "I am not far. Please, can you wait there? I will come in 10 minutes. "Yes, of course," Lily says. "I will wait here with Max." "Thank you again, you are very kind," the woman says and hangs up. Lily looks at Max. "Your owner is coming," she says. Max seems to understand. He wags his tail faster. He sits down next to Lily's feet. Lily gently pets his head. His fur is soft. He is a very friendly dog. Lily waits. She doesn't read her book. She just watches Max and the people in the park. 10 minutes pass. Then, she sees an old woman walking quickly towards her. The woman is looking around. "Max," the woman calls. The dog hears her voice. He stands up and starts to bark happily. He runs to the woman. The old woman hugs her dog. "Oh, Max. I was so scared." She looks at Lily and smiles. "Thank you so much, young lady. My name is Mrs. Gable. I'm Lily." "It's nice to meet you," Lily says. "Max is a very good dog." "Yes, he is," Mrs. Gable says. "But sometimes, he sees a squirrel and he runs away. I am old, and I cannot run fast." They talk for a few minutes. Mrs. Gable is a very nice woman. She tells Lily that she lives near the park. "I want to thank you properly," Mrs. Gable says. "There is a small cafe near here. Can I buy you a cup of tea and a piece of cake?" Lily smiles. "That is very kind of you. Yes, I would like that." So, Lily, Mrs. Gable, and Max walk to the cafe. It is a small, cozy cafe with red chairs and wooden tables. They sit at a table outside, so Max can be with them. Mrs. Gable buys Lily a cup of tea and a big piece of chocolate cake. They talk and laugh. Lily tells Mrs. Gable about her life in the city. Mrs. Gable tells Lily about her grandchildren and her love for her dog, Max. They become friends. When it is time to go, Mrs. Gable thanks Lily one more time. "You made my day, Lily." "You made my day too," Lily says. Lily walks home. The sun is going down. The sky is orange and pink. The city lights are starting to turn on. She feels very happy. She wanted to have a special day. She did not know her special day would be about finding a lost dog and making a new friend. When she gets back to her small apartment, she looks out the window. The city is still busy, but now it feels different. It feels friendlier. It was a simple Saturday, but for Lily, it was a very special day. A day she will always remember.